Getting paid to search online might seem like a too good to be true kind of scenario, but it is 100% legit. There are actually search engines and websites that pay you for performing your searches through them. These days, most people just say Google it instead of search for it. And that's one of the reasons search engines like Bing will actually pay you to use their search engines. To compete with Google, they have to offer incentives to internet users, and what better incentive than cash, right? Today, I'm going to show you make $1,500 simply searching on Google. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Microsoft Rewards. 0.1 cent per search. Bing from Microsoft likes to think of itself as the major competitor to Google. In fact, it has about 20% of all search volume, compared to Google's 60% plus, but that still makes it number 2 in the industry. To encourage users, it has created a rewards program known as Microsoft Rewards, formerly known as Bing Rewards, which is very simple to use. To start earning, sign up for a free Microsoft Rewards account here. Then do your searches through Bing. For every search you perform, you earn points that can be redeemed for rewards like gift cards, sweepstakes entries, non-profit donations, and more. How much can you make with Microsoft Rewards? I earn 5 points per search when I use Microsoft Rewards, but I'm a level 2 member. When you first sign up for Microsoft Rewards, you'll be a level 1 member. At level 1, you can earn up to 5 points a day or 150 points a month. As you search, you'll earn points and progress to level 2. At level 2, you can earn up to 20 points a day or 600 points a month. To get a $5 gift card, you need about 5,000 points. This means that one Microsoft point is worth 0.1 cent. How do you get paid? Your credits can be paid out in 3 different ways. The main one is as gift cards, which you can choose for Amazon, Starbucks, Burger King, and other places. Secondly, there are a limited number of subscriptions you can get credits for example, Skype or Hulu. Or third, if you fancy your chances, you can use your credits to enter sweepstakes. Bing runs sweepstakes for various things such as Surface Pro or Xbox, charging a different number of credits for the different entries. Number 2. Swagbucks. 3 cents to 39 cents per search. This is one of the major rewarding sites, rewarding you for doing many things that you already do online, such as playing games, completing surveys, as well as searches. You can check out the whole list online. You get rewarded with Swagbucks, which is just another term for points, as Swagbucks are nowhere near worth $1. But over time, they build up, and you can use them to get free gift cards, cash from PayPal, or to enter a contest. 1 SB is worth about 1 cent, so to redeem a $5 gift card or PayPal payment, you'll need 500 Swagbucks. Number 3. Inbox Dollars. Earn 5 cents to 25 cents for searches per day. Inbox Dollars is a more comprehensive program, which allows you to gain points or credits in other ways, as well as searching. For instance, you might take a survey for additional points. Each day, you can earn about 2 to 3 scratch cards for using Inbox Dollars search. This works out at 5 cents to 25 cents in earnings, or an extra $1.50 to $7.50 a month. Number 4. QMe. Earn 5 cents to $1 per search with QMe. QMe is one of several other search reward programs listed here. It is a browser extension and allows you to search with other search engines. It simply provides additional results on a sidebar. Each result has a value shown, and if you click on the result, your account is credited with a value. QMe has no minimum cash out amount either, so you can withdraw your earnings at any time. You can get your earnings sent to your PayPal account within minutes, or you can get an Amazon gift card. Number 5. iRazoo. Earns you 0.16 cents to 4 cents per search. iRazoo.com pays you for doing searches. You'll earn 1 to 25 points for each search you make using the site's search engine, iRazoo Search. Earnings are capped at 25 points a day. To qualify for any $5 reward, you'll need to have 3,000 points in your account. 3,000 iRazoo points is worth $5, so 1 point is worth about 0.16 cents. You can withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account. Number 6. PCH Search and Win. Earn prizes for searching. In case you don't recognize it, PCH stands for Publishers Clearinghouse, which runs a regular huge sweepstakes for millions of dollars. But with PCH Search, you can earn points to enter other contests, and you automatically get entered in a daily sweepstakes every day you log in. While it's worth checking in to be entered, the points can't be translated into cash, but only by contest entries, so you can't look at this one for a regular income. Number 7. InstaGC. Paper search varies. Get paid to search the internet with InstaGC. It's like Swagbucks, where you can get paid for doing lots of different tasks online. In addition to getting paid to search the internet, you can also get paid for completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and then redeem your earnings for a gift card. There are more than 340 options to choose from. Number 8. Zap surveys. Do you often share your opinion on the products and services you use on social media or in reviews? Well, why not get paid for your opinion? Yes, with survey sites, you can make money sharing your opinion on a range of topics. One survey site to check out is Zap Surveys. This site will pay you for taking surveys, but that's not all. It also pays you for shopping. You can get up to 40% cash back when you shop with more than 50 retailers that are partnered with the site. Number 9. Wikibuy. While you're searching the internet for that new TV or looking to buy some clothes, Wikibuy works in the background to earn you free gift cards. Awesome, right? It's a browser extension that finds coupon codes and applies the best ones at checkout. This means you save money automatically. And when you buy stuff online, you'll earn Wikibuy credits that you can redeem for gift cards. Number 10. Honey. Like Wikibuy, Honey will find you coupon codes and apply them at the checkout. So, while you're shopping online, the browser extension finds you all the best deals, promo codes, and savings, even helping you to get discounts for Amazon. Number 11. Rakuten, formerly Ebates. Make money right to your PayPal account just for shopping online as you normally would with Rakuten. This site gives you up to 40% cash back at more than 2,500 stores. There are even coupons, promo codes, and daily deals available. Aside from PayPal payments, Rakuten also allows you to get your money by check or on a gift card to retailers like Walmart. In fact, just for signing up for the site, you'll get a $10 bonus. Number 12. App trailers. You probably see a lot of trailers online anyway, so why not get paid for watching them? With app trailers, you earn money when you watch video trailers of apps, celebrity gossip, DIY videos, and more. You can even make money playing trivia games. You can redeem your money to your PayPal account or get gift cards for places like Amazon and Target. Number 13. Mobile Expression. Market research app Mobile Expression gives you credits just for having it installed. So basically, you're paid to use your phone and search the internet as you normally would. It's simple. Join the panel and you'll earn rewards. The panel is designed to study the trends and behaviors of people who are using the mobile internet. You can earn cash, gift cards, and merch. Number 14. Mistplay. Mistplay will give you points for playing games. Yes, if you like playing games online anyway, you may as well get paid for it. Select the game you want and start playing to earn points. The more you play, the more points you'll earn. Number 15. Shop at home. Again, if you're shopping online, you may as well get paid for it. So why not give Shop at Home a try? This app gives you cash back at more than 2,000 stores. You can have your money sent to your PayPal account or get a gift card to retailers like Amazon. And just for signing up, you'll get a $10 welcome bonus. You can get this as PayPal cash or as an Amazon gift card. Number 16. Paribus. When you buy something online and it later goes on sale, you miss out on some great savings. But with Paribus, you don't have to. Paribus will scour your inbox for receipts, and if it finds an item there that's recently dropped in price, it will get you a refund for the difference. It monitors prices of a lot of different stores, and when prices drop, you get a rebate. It's so simple. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.